So today I kind of feel lost, and I feel like I really need to talk to you. Lost just because I lost my notes for this video, but lost regarding in the term of not knowing what to do, kind of sad, kind of disappointed how everything evolved with this weird virus in my travels. Sad because I'm losing probably a little money, and I just have some mixed opinions, and just needed to talk to someone to let all of this out and maybe go back sometime and remember, like, you remember Corona? This virus is spreading more and more, infecting more and more people. It's like, so the numbers I heard today is like 170,000-ish people are officially infected, and 6,000 alone in Germany. Well, I'm kind of afraid what's coming next, as I see like the news on Italy and how they can't leave home, and actually in Spain as well, they cannot go on the streets unless it is necessary to buy groceries or go to the pharmacy. And I just feel like this is not a normal virus you face in your lifespan. I mean, I feel like this is something human made to harm the people, to make even money. I don't know. You know, crises make good money. There was actually something very interesting on the internet I found, or someone sent it to me. You can read it yourself, interpret it yourself, but it's a book which has been written in the 1800-ish years, and it's pretty close to what is actually happening right now. So if you're interested, you can read it. What makes a little panic in myself is that people are stocking up their homes. They're buying noodles, oatmeals, bread, toilet paper, tissues, sanitizers, soap. They are stocking up crazy on it. People are getting into fights. Yeah, it's a crazy time, interesting time, and I hope this go over in like 3 months. But what annoys me most is the things about my travel. So, as you know, I value travels a lot. Jesus. And traveling, it's like a little passion for me. What is going on here? A little passion for me. Let me adjust this. And the last travel should have been a week ago to New York City, as Lara and I decided to do the New York City half marathon, and we've been training months to it. We've been running together weekly, and I already had this video idea in my head to make this this was like a life event for me, like one of my bucket events, and that it's had to be New York. I mean, this was like totally overkill, but I wanted to run a half marathon in my life and have this reward that I made it. But what annoys me most is that we've been training for it. I had this video idea in my head. I've already filmed some sequences of our running training, and I had these shots in my head. We got our money back for the race, for the fee. It's actually like 400 euros. We got money back for our hotel because it was like an all-in booking, but we didn't get our money back for the Lufthansa flights. I don't know why, but apparently you only get your money back if they close the border before your flight starts. But what annoys me big time is right now that my Egypt flight is tomorrow, and it's looking bad for the money. I'm probably gonna lose all the money, as Egypt decided to close one more again the border one day after our flight. We've contacted the travel agency because we did an all-in-one booking, as we thought we're gonna treat ourselves after the race with our sore legs, and we did the race and everything's cool. as usually, I called them. I was super angry, and they basically told me it is safe to fly to Egypt, even if I told them like all the hotels in the nearby area are in quarantine. Yeah. The only way I can get back my money is if Germany closes the border like Czech. They already closed the border for ground transportation, but not for airfares. So I am hoping for this, that it happens today in the time of the evening. I mean, it is already getting dark, but yeah, pretty angry, pretty sad about it. I hate losing money. I am losing for the first time this amount of money. I lost some money before in Bitcoin, but who didn't, right? Apropos Bitcoin, this is actually a topic which is hot right now. Stocks are in a deep free fall. Bitcoin is in a free fall as well, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I really think there's a great potential in getting into stocks and Bitcoin right now as the prices are falling. And I think, well, at least I'm gonna wait, because I think the prices will fall even lower, as this is just the beginning. And I think in Germany it will be like in Italy and Spain, that we will not be allowed to leave the house, besides if it is for pharmacy or grocery shopping. But yes, this was actually what I wanted to talk about with you. I feel confused. I actually really wanted to know how Corona affects personally your life. Not here in Germany, as I know how the situation is, but how it affects your personal life if you travel, or how it is with work, how it is with people you maybe know who are affected or infected, and just in general. Whoa, this sunset is... Oof. Look at this. Let me see if I can zoom in. It is just beautifully setting in between the trees. The camera doesn't pick it up quite good. But yeah, I'm somewhere here in the woods. Gotta walk home, I guess this way maybe. I just lost my own town. But yeah, please let me know in the comments how Corona affects you, or people in your surrounding, or someone you know, or a story you heard about. What do you think about this whole thing? And yeah, just let us have a discussion in the chats. I am eager to talk. Yes. Whoa! I am just annoyed by this situation, and I hope I can somehow get this money back. Somehow they close the border just in time, and then I will just go to Thailand and Bali for like 6 weeks and just surf, eat nasi goreng and relax. And I don't know, I just don't want to deal with all these problems anymore. Okay, bye!